She woke me up with a bang bang, looking over cross-eyed. Had a big hunch that the world was a big lie. When I got up, all the blood to my head, I got so dizzy, fell back into my bed. I went over to the wayside, looking for the high tide. What will I find? Will I find? Will I find? All I saw was a man that had a hat that had a pom-pom. He's been there for years. Can someone tell me how long? Wake up to tell me. Wake up to show me what I could not find. Wake up to tell me. Wake up to show me what I could not. You see, this woman woke me up at 2:45, and I didn't know it then, but she put a spell on me. Said I had to go down to where the cliffs meet the sea and meet an old man to present my plea. So I headed way down to the big pier to await and confront my big fear. I wheeled around.